Today we kicked off the 4th global ABB Accelerator here in the incredible San Luis Potosi city, where ABB has some world-class facilities that are constantly being upgraded. And we were privileged this morning on the way into the kickoff to actually have a tour through the factory and see some of the amazing products and services that we work on in this region. And that's really the ethos of the ABB Accelerator, is to come alongside our business and make sure that we're modernizing and driving relevant use cases, solving business problems that can go into our working environment and really make a difference in the lives of our employees. So we had Carolina Granat as one of our executive sponsors say a few words. We also had a number of key leaders, and particularly showcasing San Luis Potosi and Mexico as a critical region, part of North America, where 30% of ABB's revenues actually come from.
For us, Accelerator is an amazing opportunity to show Mexico and San Luis Potosi. Accelerator is the biggest opportunity to complement all our initiatives. We have the right space, we have the talent, we have the market, but we need also the right tools, automations, and less paper culture.
ABB Accelerator event in San Luis Potosi bring up a great value to the business.
Understanding the business needs.
To provide innovation, automation solutions to transform the business capabilities. At the same time, promote the ABB values, collaboration, curiosity. That's great. And I ensure after this event, we will make the difference.